Okay. All right. Good morning, everyone, guys. कैसे हैं आप सब? I am back in Vancouver. बहुत ही प्यारे से वेकेशन के बाद I'm back here to finish off my goal. And yeah, it's Saturday today and June 1st. और यहाँ पे there's this event called as Pitt Meadows Day. I've been living in Pitt Meadows or studying in Pitt Meadows for almost 2 years now, and कभी भी मौका नहीं मिला to just see what it is actually. So I'm gonna go today, and yeah, feels different, and I would say a little low to be back and get away from all the activeness. But yeah, it's all good, part of life. All right, so it's a holiday today for me, and I just wore this white shirt or t-shirt, I don't know, but yeah, this, and I always wanted to wear this, but never got a chance. So today I'll try it on and see how this looks. कभी पहनने का मौका मिला नहीं, और आज जब मिला है तो come on. कभी कभी पेशेंस नाम की चीज़ छूट जाती है, उसको पकड़ के वापस लाना पड़ता है. Looks good, and if I put these buttons, looks a little better, and yeah, I don't know. I mean, to be honest, I don't care. पहना था, आज मौका है, आज पहन लिया, so no more thinking. Maybe just a little bit of, I don't know. Alright, so this is how it looks, and I'm just wearing blue jeans, and that's okay. Looks good, looks something. थोड़ा अलग है, हटके है in terms of, otherwise I just wear something. I would only wear the shirt, but ये था, दिखा, I'm like, yeah, why not? Alright, so let's head out. Alright, तो अभी निकल गया हूँ, but जैसे ही गाड़ी ऑन करता हूँ तो उसे याद आता है कि इसे फ्यूल चाहिए, so I'll have to fuel up. वैसे फ्यूल नहीं करूँगा तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, बस गाड़ी बंद पड़ जाएगी, तो I will have to fuel up. And then आज वेदर कुछ, it's Vancouver weather, काफ़ी ग्लूमी है, ऐसा ही रहता है मोस्टली यहाँ पे, आप देख सकते हैं. It's a gloomy kind of a day, but it's all good. I just want to see what happens वहाँ पे, कैसा होता है. I've always heard good things about that, but yeah, let's check it out. तो अभी यहाँ पे पहुँच गया हूँ, but the sad part is कि पार्किंग का बहुत इशू है. I don't think they have enough parking though. यहाँ पे एक मेरा दोस्त भी है. I don't know if he's here right now, but और बारिश हो रही है, so it's just nice. Everything's perfect, but ये जो बारिश आई है ना, मेरे पास छाता है ना कुछ है, तो yep. It's actually a nice place. There's lots to do, but मैं क्या है, अकेला आया हूँ. I've come alone and I'll get bored. I mean, it's fun. There's कुछ है, you can explore some stuff, but other than that, yeah, I'll show you guys around. यहाँ पे उल्टा है. Usually in Indian malls या ऐसे कोई इवेंट पे एक फोटोग्राफी अलाउड नहीं होता है. यहाँ पे इनफैक्ट दे आर प्रमोटिंग इट. उनको चाहिए कि लोग यहाँ पे आए, वीडियो बनाए, एंड देन द सिटी ऑफ पिट मेडोज वो प्रमोट हो, एंड या. Alright, तो थोड़ा सा दूर आ गया हूँ from the loud music and it's a nice place. अगर आप ऐसे friends और दोस्तों के साथ आए तो काफ़ी अच्छा होगा. It'll be nice. And if you drink तो भी अच्छा है. Everyone's having beer and all. Chill है. The vibe is good. It's all friends. अकेला इंसान मेरे ऐसा बोर हो जाएगा. I just want to see कैसा है, how is it, and I like it. I might, I don't know, come again in the evening अगर कोई work से कोई काम friends जा रहे हैं तो I'll maybe go with them, but otherwise I'm good. But yeah, cool stuff. बारिश नहीं हो रही होती तो शायद और crowd होता और लोग होते और लोग मज़ा करते, but नहीं है शायद.
Out here, bro.
The live
really out here.
music, beautiful women. We're having a great old fucking time, man. Yes,
What's
of
up? What's your
course.
name, bro?
Anuj, yeah.
Paji. My man.
I'm not Paji, but yeah.
Oh shit, whatever, bro. You're
Yeah.
you're out here, bro. What's going on, bro?
Hey, you want a drink?
What are you
Want a
filming?
drink?
No,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
good.
Get him a shotgun something, bro.
No, I don't
Get a
drink.
shotgun this, bro. No worries.
That's all
You're good, bro. You're gonna shotgun it.
Yeah.
All right, man. Have a good night, bro.
तो जैसे कि आपने देखा दो लोग आए and they just उन्होंने देखा कि मैं कुछ vlog कर रहा हूँ, कुछ film कर रहा हूँ and but yeah, ऐसे ही है, friendly vibe है and it's safe. आके लोग बात करते हैं and feels good. आप अपने काम से काम रखे तो you won't have any problem. But yeah, good vibe. I'll leave in some time. ऐसे कुछ खास, there's really nothing for me. I've had food and yeah, कोई दोस्त होते तो it would have been better, but yeah, why not. So now I've come to this Pitt Meadows Arena and पहली बार देख रहा हूँ, काफ़ी अच्छा है. It's so nice to see it. I think it's the local ice hockey teams. काफ़ी nice. Alright, so really decent event. और the one thing that I want to really talk about is how organized everything was, because parking है सही जगह पे. You've got your cop cars, almost I think 6 to 8 cop cars just for this event. क्योंकि ऐसे सब जगह पे it's very easy to कुछ ऊंच नीच होना काफ़ी आसान है. And yeah, so you have protection. You're not safety का कोई issue नहीं है. You're very safe when you go to such events. So yeah, I like that. And this place was just like 2 minutes from my airport, so I wanted to come and actually have a look. क्या होता है, कैसे होता है. How are the बाल जो है बहुत ये हो जाते हैं. तो ये जो जगह है यहाँ पे आई थिंक मेरा फर्स्ट या सेकंड डे था. दिस इज़ जस्ट मेरे स्कूल को लग के फर्स्ट या सेकंड डे था. आई हैड कम टू दिस प्लेस. So yeah, I'm here. I'm coming to this place after a really long time. यहाँ से जो float planes है, they take off from here. So that was the reason I actually came to this place, because I wanted to see कैसे होता है. But yeah. And even about this filming part, ये जो खुद से बात करना है, it's called a vlog nowadays. ये भी I like it, but my problem is consistency. I mean, I don't look at it as who likes it, who doesn't like it. It's just a memory for me, and I don't know, it's hard to do it every day. It's an excuse, to be honest, because whenever you're doing a task, जब भी आप कोई task कर रहे हैं, it's very easy to have those tiny 20-second, 30-second free time where you don't do anything, you're not thinking about anything. And so उस thought पे आप दो चीज़ कर सकते हैं. या तो you can go into random thoughts and then just spoil your mood, or you could just grab your camera and start talking. it's kind of a therapy for me. I like it, but consistency. That's, I think, consistency की कोई दवाई होती तो शायद वो ले लेता, but unfortunately there's nothing like that, and I have to be consistent with everything, to be honest. कोई चीज़ें इतना अच्छा करता हूँ फिर बाद में करता ही नहीं, and then so yeah, sometimes I feel कि उतना अच्छा मत करो, decent करो, and then do it for a longer period of time, so the results will be better, and that's what I'm trying to follow. And this plane is actually a circuit pattern में, and it's gonna land on 26 left, which is the bigger runway, and yeah, हल्की हल्की बारिश की बूंदे. It's actually really surreal. यहाँ से अगर wind sock दिखता है कि पता नहीं, but that's where planes take off from. आज नहीं है for some reason, weather ख़राब है, low ceilings, I don't know, but yeah, this is part of like when I talk, ये जो part है, I want it to be more कि I'm motivated to do it every day, because it's, who cares if I see this vlog after a year, it'll be so nice, it'll be like, oh, it was a good day. And also अगर कुछ ऐसे डिप्रेशन हो रहा है या कुछ weird feel हो रहा है, so you can just, you know, fall back to this. I know कि ये सामने से बात नहीं करता, but you can still talk to yourself, and you know, it's gives you a certain kind of motivation that I like. The only problem is consistency, like I said, but I'll work on that. और धीरे धीरे जो है यहाँ पे बारिश बढ़ने लग रहा है, and I hate rains for some reason. मुझे बारिश पसंद है, बारिश में भीगना पसंद है, so I'm going back. And now the problem is I wanted to go for a run, but since it's raining, I don't know if that's something I'm interested in, but I'll see, we'll see. Maybe I'll just hit the gym, फिर रात को जाऊँगा. But yeah, off day, and it's nice. कुछ अच्छा करके अच्छा लगा, and yeah. And ladies and gentlemen, CYPK for you. Pitt Meadows Airport. Alright folks, तो अभी जाने का वक्त आ गया है. I mean, मैं अपने दो दोस्तों को मिलने जा रहा हूँ, and they're both pilots. So one is a CPL license holder and the other one's an instructor. So उन दोनों से काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें सीखने और जानने को मिलेगी. What's happening, what's going to happen, and yeah, they're all people who know a lot more than I know, and it's nice to be around them. This yeah, there's ये part होना भी ज़रूरी है, तो just to be aware, and it'll be fun as well. Yeah.